Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial will focus on how to get your secret recovery phrase on Phantom Wallet. So if you want to do that, once you log on to your Phantom, you proceed and you click on the account. So now once you click on account, you now proceed, you click on settings. So now once you click on the settings icon, since this is the first account, you now click on account 1 and you now proceed to the fourth option where we have show secret recovery phrase. So now once you read the terms and condition, you now proceed, you agree with the terms and condition and you now click on continue to see your recovery phrase, and I'll be covering that for security purpose. So now once you click on continue, you see that. So let's proceed and click on it. So right now you require to enter your security password to authenticate this process. So right here is your recovering phrase for your Phantom wallet. If this is helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.